My name is Jay Bowman. I'm a principal here at FMI, and I lead our market research efforts and look at a lot of the insights and trends that impact our industry. So my article is about autonomous vehicles and how autonomous vehicles, in my opinion, could be one of the most disruptive technologies in this century. And this is technology disruption is only about 10 or 15 years away. So we're really right in the cusp, almost on the front seat of this kind of evolutionary change. Because of the design and the construction implications of autonomous vehicles, this is going to have a very profound impact on the migration of value and the services that owners are looking for from providers. This will really manifest itself in three areas. The first one in planning. The second is actually in design build. Because we're introducing new technologies, new ways of thinking about how autonomous vehicles interact with the infrastructure, what type of infrastructure is needed, design build becomes much more attractive because it fills that void of what is it that we're really trying to prepare for. And third, it's really around technology consulting itself. And owners simply don't have the capabilities to maintain the knowledge necessary to stay abreast of everything that's coming out. So they'll increasingly turn to engineers, contractors, others in the industry to really consult them on the technologies they may need to use and how best to use them. There's really no shortage of articles out there about autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars. But what's sort of surprising is there's really very few, if any, that we could ever find that talked about, well, what's the impact of autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars on the construction, engineering industry from an infrastructure standpoint. So as we began to unpack the research and try to really understand, how will autonomous vehicles or the advent of the self-driving car, how will that really impact the NC industry? There are really four things that emerged out of that research. The first one was just the funding itself. How we collect money, how money is raised for infrastructure is going to be really disrupted by this new technology. The second thing was really just the efficiency and the accuracy of the vehicles themselves, how that will actually change the infrastructure. What is designed, what is built, what's actually put in place could look very different 20, 30 years from now than what we currently consider as part of the transportation infrastructure. The third thing was disruption beyond roads and bridges alone, looking at things such as the rail industry, other types of segments within the market that will be disrupted as a result of the autonomous vehicles. And then fourth is just the actual delivery of services themselves. What will owners value? What are the things they're looking for in assistance as they prepare to deliver the types of needs and services to consumers and to citizens as a result of autonomous vehicles?